Hello, my name is Prathamesh Palshikar. I am a student of the famous COVID batch 2019-2021, and I'm currently working at Sportz Interactive and working in the content management domain. So the research report which I was a part of was for Procam. This is for the Tata Mumbai Marathon, and it was quite an extensive research on how the marathon has basically evolved along with the social and the economical points kind of running as a sport totally in India. And it was quite fun because a lot of situations wherein we interacted with runners while they were practicing for the marathon. There were a lot of ground events. We went for the launch of the marathon as well. That was a very interesting time. And we went for the marathon day itself. Quite some fun because I never witnessed a marathon at the start, and it was pretty frantic but a lot of fun as well. I couldn't have expected for anything better.